Okay, so here's a review of the Tampa Bay Montreal game. The Lightning played 4 goalies and they were Rory, Fairfield, Aiden, and Roman. The Canadiens only played Jake and AJ. AJ scored a goal while he was in net on Roman. This was the first time this has ever happened. Wyatt and Mitchell had hat tricks. Wyatt, Mitchell, and Anthony had hat tricks, and Mitchell had 4. Here, by the way, the final was 17-3, which is the most overdone total of all time. Only passing a game the Canadiens themselves lost 15-2, except that one mattered a little bit more as it was the playoffs. After this game, the premier game of the season. Here are the leaders in goals, assists, and points. Goals: Mitchell with 3, Mitchell with 4, Wyatt with 3, Anthony with 3, Jake with 2, Clay with 2. Clay, yeah. Assists: Luke, which is me, with 2, Fairfield with 1, Owen with 1, Anthony with 1, Wyatt with 1, and points: Mitchell 5, Wyatt 4, Anthony 4, Jake 3, Luke 3. And that's basically the recap. I'm just gonna let this go till it stops. And good job to my Canadiens. And good luck in the